It stood on Main Street, Leesburg, as well, a beacon of the downtown landscape. And nearly a century of history disappeared within minutes, making way for the future. Evergreen Construction was the contractor behind what is now Beacon College's new administration building. Profiles caught up with Evergreen's president and vice president.
First of all, nobody does what Evergreen does. Yes, we build buildings, we do construction management, we do design build projects the conventional way, but we did take an unconventional approach. We look at a project from the standpoint of how is what we're going to do going to be in the best interest of the client? How is their organization going to function better or be more profitable by having us involved? I've got 25 years in large commercial, government, healthcare, institutional, educational projects. Done projects ranging from Concourse E at the Atlanta airport, which was about a $300 million new terminal building, to education renovations at $50,000.
Graduated from the University of Florida in building construction, and I've been involved with construction the balance of my life. Evergreen's philosophy is to use building processes that are very much green friendly in order to go ahead and to provide a great product for the client, but also as cost efficient as possible.
Anything that we can do to reduce the environmental impact from the construction of a project, we'll try to identify it and we'll carry it out. We want to make sure we do everything we can to minimize the impact. Beacon made a very good decision to bring us on at the very beginning of the project. We took a look at the whole environment, and we took certain design elements from the library, from some of the other historic buildings in the area, and we wanted to make sure we incorporated them so the building was a good fit for the community and for the environment. And we are in the historic district here, so we had to have elements that would tie into old Leesburg, but bring the efficiency and the function of a new building.
I'm an interim president here at Beacon College, so I've only been here for 2 years, but that was by design. Now, I've overseen a lot of remodeling, and when I was Commissioner of Higher Education, there were lots of building projects on the several campuses, and I had some broad oversight over those buildings as well. I've had a wonderful experience working with Evergreen Construction. In fact, I would have to say it is by far the best experience I have ever had in constructing a campus building. They were extremely easy to work with. They were very open and honest in all of their negotiations and dealings with me. They kept us very much informed throughout the process of preparing to build and in building. In thinking about Evergreen compared to the other construction firms that I've worked with, it can all be summed up in 2 sentences. The first sentence is, they brought the project in ahead of schedule, and second, they brought the project in under budget. And I cannot say that for any of the other projects that I have worked on in higher education.
What makes Evergreen different is we wish to utilize our experiences and our construction know-how in helping formulate a final dream or a final desire of what our client wants to do.
We're in this to be of value to our clients and do the things that nobody else does. We're willing to go to the furthest extent to make a client successful in what they're doing.
Evergreen Construction Management focuses on education, healthcare, institutional and corporate construction and renovations, including numerous schools and government office projects throughout Lake County.